What do you think? My smile? It's pretty white, isn't it? Why is my smile so dazzling white? Ollie, my new business. Guys, I've been doing something behind your backs, not like on purpose, but kind of on purpose, for the past 6 months. And we're finally ready to launch. I am super nervous because I was going to show you my hand. I'm not actually shaking, but I feel like I'm shaking inside. I always get so nervous whenever I get ready to launch a business. And I think really it boils down to, you know, I want you to like it, and I don't want to let you down and disappoint you. But, you know, I don't think I am. I actually know that I'm not. I know that not only am I not going to disappoint you, I'm so excited to finally be able to share with you Ollie, the teeth whitening system. And here's the deal. I want to tell you a little bit about Ollie, tell you how it sort of started, why I'm doing a new business when I honestly, at the beginning of the year, if you would have told me I was going to start another business, I would have punched you in the throat. Quick backstory, MENfluential Conference every year, we have it. A lot of great guys come. Well, this year, a guy comes by the name of Marcus. And Marcus comes and he's like, yo, I got these really badass teeth whitening strips that are they're for sensitive teeth. They don't hurt your teeth, and they work really, really, really well. And so he told me, I'm like, yeah, whatever. He told Terry, my business partner, and Terry can't use the trays, right? The teeth whitening trays that I've promoted here, that I've used in the past, because he's got sensitive teeth. And so he tried them and he was like, oh my God, these things are the greatest thing ever. They worked crazy well and his teeth didn't hurt. And so he and Marcus kept talking about a potential business and what it would look like. Story short, Terry and Marcus decided that if I was interested, and Terry's brother Bryan, who also works with us for MENfluential Media, if he was interested, the four of us could potentially start a business, Ollie. And so I said, send me the product. I got to try it. I tried it immediately. I was like, this is amazing. And I was like, there's one person I really need to get their approval. And so I took the box home and I gave it to my wife. I go, here, will you try this? I didn't tell her anything. So she takes it out of the package. She tries it. And my wife is somebody who has super crazy sensitive teeth. She tries it. She wears the strip for 30 minutes, top and bottom. And the first thing she said was, can you get more of these? They are amazing. And that's when I knew I had to do this. And so, gentlemen, officially we are launching the business Ollie. There's a link down below to olliesmile.com. And the reason why I'm so excited about this is because I always talk to you guys about the importance of a smile. Make sure that you've got a great smile, because our smile is one of the first thing people sees, and it's one of the most important nonverbal communicating tools that you have. And if you don't have a white smile, you're shooting yourself in the foot. If you're not confident about your smile when you meet somebody new, you're not going to show it. And it breaks my heart when I see guys that aren't showing their teeth because they're embarrassed or whatever. Guys, we have figured out an amazing solution to not only getting a white smile, but keeping it. And what we've developed is a system. It's a teeth whitening system. Month number 1, you're going to get this. It is the transformation kit. And what it comes with is the Ollie shade guide to sort of know where you're at and all that. And then inside, you're also going to get 12 individually wrapped treatments. It has upper and lower. Inside the packet, you get upper and lower treatment. You peel it off, you put it on, you stick it there, bottom, do the same thing. I'll show you how to apply it in a second. And you wear it for 30 minutes. Wear them for 30 minutes, take them off, and your smile is noticeably whiter. And then guess what? The next day, you do it again. The next day, you do it again. You get 12 treatments, 12 days in a row. You should be using one of the Ollie teeth whitening treatments. Now, if you're somebody who has crazy sensitive teeth, you can, skip a day in between. But the point is, in the first 30 days, you're using all 12 of these treatments. And then, after that, the next month you're going to get sent this cute little thing that looks identical to the transformation kit. This is your Ollie maintenance pack. Inside, you're going to get 4 treatments, and you're going to use 1 treatment per week to maintain your beautiful Ollie white smile. Month 1 you transform, month 2, 3, 4, however long you want a white smile, you use the maintenance pack. Now, one of the beautiful things about our website is that when you're in your dashboard and you actually sign up, you can set reminders. So you can have notifications sent to your phone, oh, time to Ollie, time to Ollie, time to Ollie, so that you never miss a treatment. It is so amazing. Look at that. I'm telling you, it is ridiculous. Here's the thing that is so beautiful about Ollie is that it is easy. It doesn't hurt. They go on. You can go about your day. You can just rock them for 30 minutes. No big deal. And the other beautiful thing about it, it's cheap. In terms of affordability, these bad boys are less expensive than Crest strips. They work, in my opinion, better than Crest strips. These things don't hurt your teeth. They're just in my opinion, a superior product. We worked, or I should say Marcus worked super hard developing this. He went through a ton of different companies, a ton of different iterations to finally land on an amazing product. And this product is ridiculous. Guys, there are 3 options. We sell it 3 different ways. You can buy a month-to-month plan where the first month you're going to get the transformation kit, and then each month until you cancel, you get a maintenance pack sent directly to you. Or you can buy an annual plan, which comes with a transformation kit along with 11 additional maintenance packs all in one container. So if you want it all now and you want to give some of these out to your girls or your friends or whatever, you can do that. We also sell just the transformation kit. 3 different options, super affordable, guys. Go hit that link down below and check it out. And if you're interested in having an amazing smile, try it, because it's seriously a game changer. And like, look, seriously, it's good, right? Our goal is for every single person out there to have an amazing smile that they're super proud of, so they'll show it off. Our tagline is the Smile Company. It's trademarked, so just so you know, we're on it. And we're the Smile Company. We want people to smile. Now, here's sort of the interesting thing about this business. This isn't just for men. It's not going to be, you know, me just promoting it. Terry and Bryan, they've got a deep network of influencers, both male and female, and we really feel like this is going to be big for females as well. And so don't be surprised if like your girlfriend like gets this and be like, yo, check out Ollie. You're gonna be like, dude, that's Alpha's company. It's really exciting. I can't tell you how excited I am for you to love your smile and to check it out, guys. Just go and see what it's about. The website is great. We shot this like crazy like videos all at my house. We hired models. Christian did the video. My buddy John did the website. It's just, it's amazing. And this is the thing about being an entrepreneur. When you get an idea that you know is a home run, that you know and believe in with every single ounce of your being, it's so exciting, but I'm nervous. So that's it. Actually, that's not it. I'm going to show you how simple this is. So, way that it works, top first. All right, you get it. It's a little gel strip. There's like gel on there. And hold it under. Get little saliva, bang. The bottom, sometimes because the bottom is smaller and we put so much whitening gel on there, sometimes you just got to mess with it a little bit. It doesn't stick like immediately, but you just got to mess with it. Right there. Jig it up. What? You can like exercise, go run. Like I've worn these things like in places you would not imagine. You don't drink with them, like I'm telling you, these things are incredible. They work amazing. And if you've got sensitive teeth, no problem. Ollie has you covered. Guys, thank you so much for everything. I wanted to just do a quick video, tell you about it before you see a video where I'm like, hey, if you want to whiten your teeth, bang, check out Ollie. You needed to know the backstory. Now you do. I love you. Thank you. Link below. Check it out if you want. Thanks, guys. Seriously, thank you. And we'll see you tomorrow. Smile.